Welcome to ILC 2021. This short tutorial will guide you through how to navigate the Congress platform and get the best out of your ILC 2021 journey. Let's get started. First, check your inbox for an email from ILC 2021. Click the Let's Get Started button to reach the ILC 2021 login page. To log in, click here. The first time you log in, you can complete your profile to get the most out of your Congress. You can upload your picture here. Remember to fill in your job title to help you connect with like-minded people. It will also help you to be directed to the most relevant pieces of content. By selecting your top 3 areas of interest, you'll be able to get better recommendations suited to you. Scientific Program is where you will find all your scientific sessions for each day. Selecting a speaker will show you all the sessions they will be participating in. Have a question? Why not ask the speaker directly? Don't forget to register the ILC Studio sessions to your schedule. At least 3 times a day, and we'll be coming to you live from Geneva with top picks, highlights of the day, and high-level roundtable discussions. The hashtag ILC Studio is a chance for you to connect, relax and reflect, so tune in. The People tab is where you connect with your friends, colleagues and fellow peers, allowing you the opportunity to network with people who share the same interests as you. Visit ILC & Co. We'd love to say hi. Chat with the membership team and find out more about how you can access all the resources available at your fingertips and explore our ILC partners. My Congress brings together all your favourites from across the platform, including your personalised schedule, videos from your wish list, and peers in your networking group. Congress Bag is your virtual welcome pack, where you will find information and resources from ILC, the Congress sponsors and national associations. Expo is where you will find access to all healthcare industry content, have the opportunity to ask any questions, and network with contacts that are relevant to your research and practice. Plan the satellite symposia you wish to attend by going to industry sessions. Here you'll be able to see both promotional and educational content. You can also interact with them. When it's time, press the live button to view all the streamed content or simply watch some of our on-demand at your leisure. Take a look at the many features on the ILC platform. Have fun at our photo booth by uploading a fun picture of you. Interact with Livy, who is the ILC official mascot. Finally, join colleagues around the world and compete in the ILC 30-day challenge for a chance to win a free registration to ILC 2022. You will need to be registered for ILC 2021 and the ILC campus. Need any more help? The help page contains all you need to know, and you can ask any questions to the ILC staff through the chat button. Support will be available between 9 AM to 7 CET daily. Okay, now you're ready to take on ILC 2021. Enjoy the Congress!